If you're a curious kid, you need to know where water comes from. Let's take a fun ride with a raindrop. Ready? Let's go. First, picture a fluffy cloud in the sky. When clouds get heavy, they let go of tiny drops of water. That's rain. Raindrops fall down and land everywhere. On your roof, the grass, even your nose. Some of that water runs into little streams and rivers. Rivers move the water along, all the way to big lakes and the huge wavy ocean. Isn't that cool? But the journey isn't over. When the sun comes out, it warms up the water. The warm water turns into invisible steam called vapor. Up, up, up it goes, back into the sky. Soon the steam cools down and forms clouds again. When the clouds get heavy, guess what? It rains, and the whole adventure starts all over again. Water never stops moving. It's always going around in a big circle, the water cycle. Next time you see rain, remember, it's part of a magical journey that never ends.